Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a rolling end credits in CapCut. Now, the way we're going to do this is we're going to utilize something called keyframes. So, for example, here I have a text like this, right? And I have a text and I want to put a keyframe on it. So, for example, I'm going to go here. I'm going to put a keyframe on the right-hand side here. I'm going to go to the transform section down here. I'm going to keyframe it one here. And then on the 3-second mark, I'm going to move the text here and I'm going to keyframe it as well. Now you'll see what happens is that the text will move from one keyframe to another. So let's call this keyframe A and this is keyframe B. Now these two keyframes is what dictates where and when the text should be, and then CapCut will automatically create an animation to move the text from here to there, right? So by using this concept, we're gonna use it to make a rolling end credits, right? So let's start. So from down here, right? Let's put the text down here. We're gonna keyframe it here. And then let's go to the 2-second mark again. And then let's put it all the way up and keyframe it there. Now you'll see it'll be like a rolling text, right? Like this. Now we can just add in the credits here. For example, director, example name. Let's make it a little smaller as well, right? And then actor, Tom Holland, something like that. And then let's just copy and paste this a couple of times to give the sense that it's in credits, right? And now we can try playing it. There you go. We have a rolling credits. Now you can adjust this any way you like. You can see after I put in a text, the text start at a little bit to up. So let's just go to the keyframe, right? We can find the keyframe by pressing these buttons here. Let's go to the keyframe and then let's just move it down, right? And then let's keyframe it again. And then let's go to now let's see. There you go. Beautiful. Now, if you need a couple more credits, you can just copy and paste this and then use it as you need so. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing.